Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create drum notation in Dorico for iPad. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay, now click here, click setup and then click plus button on the left. Click unpitch percussion. Choose drum set. You can choose basic or full. In this example, I choose drum set basic and click add. Okay, for the piano, just click here to delete. Okay, discard, back to the right and choose this to input the notation and click here, just click kick, space kick, then we put a hi-hat, no, hi-hat again, and hat again. Okay, put here hi-hat, then click here for multi layer like snare, no, click here snare, okay, snare drum, natural, okay, and put here the snare drum. Okay, and we try to copy, paste, no, let's put here, select all, copy, paste, and we'll hear the sound. Okay, that's it.